forecast. Haven't done one of these for a couple of days now. Wasn't well, to be fair, but we're back again. So let's get into EU, and I've disappeared. Okay, there we go. So EU, I'm still bearish on EU. As you can see, we've come into this fair value gap on the daily, right there. But we have pushed past it, we have disrespected it, so there is a good chance that we could actually go up and tap back into this inverse fair value gap and then go and break this and become bullish, target liquidity there. That could definitely happen, but I'm going to be following the trend and I'm going to be bearish. So the draw on liquidity is still this area right there, and I'll be looking for sells, tapped into the fair value gap, premium of this leg as well. So all bearish signs. Dropping down to the hour, what am I seeing? We had this strong displacement up, which is giving me bullish signs, but at the same time, it could just be a liquidity sweep and then a move down, targeting this low, which is a prime area of liquidity, and also this area there. You could say this is like trendline liquidity, all here. So there is also a fair value gap right there on the hourly, so that'll be something to note. 15-minute, this gets pretty simple. We're looking for that power of three formation, Asian high getting swept. 15-minute fair value gap there. I marked this out yesterday as well. Then there's liquidity here as well. So strong areas for liquidity sweeps, and then market going down. Obviously mark out the midnight opening price, but that is what I'm seeing. I'm looking for the Asian high to be swept and then a move down, but let's see what happens, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.